Hi, welcome to Ecology for summer 2018. I'm Dr. Suzanne Copter, plant ecologist, biology professor, and I'll be your professor for this class. I might be a little biased, but I do think ecology could be the most important class that you will ever take because every aspect of this course touches on things that affect your own health and well-being, because it's when you understand ecology, you can tell what's in order and what's out of order on the planet and with all living things on the earth. A nice thing about this course being online is that you can work on it whenever and wherever you like. But you do have to plan to spend some time to do well in this course. I estimate it will take you at least 6 hours a week to complete the readings, listen to the lectures, and do the activities for the class. Sometimes it may take you a little more, other times a little less. I'll try to give you a rough estimate of time that the various activities may take you at the beginning of each module. The way you can see the expected pace to finish the course in the summer term is to look at your calendar. And I have to tell you, I am just learning how to use Canvas myself, and while we have the first week somewhat in order, I'm going to be improving things as we go along. So we'll meet online, and sometimes you'll meet with your group in discussion boards or in your group wiki, which is a workspace, or any other ways you think of to work on jigsaws and other projects together. And I hope you'll meet with me too, coming to my online office hours, and those are at scheduled times, but if you're in a different part of the world or have a certain circumstance that you can't make those hours, we can make a special arrangement. Every bit of the work that you do for this class, including the exams, will be turned in, taken online, not in person. The way this class is set up, I think, will help you do a lot to prepare for your future life's work, because unlike many university classes where you just sit in an auditorium and take notes, we've learned through lots of different educational studies that it's people who are more actively involved that learn the most. So by doing things, working problems, writing, etc., you're going to learn much more than just sitting in a lecture class. You might wonder sometimes why I ask you to do all the different things. All these activities I've made to help you learn. I recommend this order for attacking each module or each day's work. I want you to read each chapter first and then take the quiz on the chapter, and you can take each of those quizzes twice. So if you have trouble the first time around, you can look some things up and take it again. We keep the best score. After you read the chapter, listen to the lectures I've recorded. I talk over PowerPoints, drawing, pointing things out, etc. And then I also will post the PowerPoints themselves for you to review in the future. After you look at those official content-rich things, I want you to listen to the related videos or other pieces on the topic I post. And then it's time to do the activity or activities and turn them in for feedback and credit. I hope you'll always contact me with any questions or problems you have. You can message me in the course or contact me during the office hours. So I want to encourage you to learn to use Canvas to the max. Listen to the tutorials. It's the instructions for the first module 0, are to go through these things, and the time you spend doing that will make everything much easier, so please do it. I ask that you update your profile and include a picture and information about yourself so that I can get to know you better and other students in the course too. This learning management system, Canvas, works on any and all of your devices. I think you'll find probably that a computer, or at the minimum a tablet, is the best for doing a lot of the work. But there's a mobile phone app to let you keep up with your courses anywhere. And I hope that you will set your notifications so that you'll see important announcements from me and your other professors and also your fellow students and group members.